You are welcome to Mr. English Corner.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Corner, where learning English is friendly, real, and full of encouragement. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. Hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world, especially newcomers starting a new life in an English-speaking country.
Hi, Paul. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling grateful. You know, moving to a new country isn't easy, and that's why today's episode is so important.
Yes, you're right. Today we're talking about handling culture shock, encouraging English words for newcomers, English podcast.
Culture shock happens when everything around you feels new. New language, new food, new weather, new people, even new habits. It can be exciting, but also confusing or lonely sometimes.
Exactly. But don't worry. Everyone goes through it. And today we'll help you understand it and give you the English words and phrases to talk about your feelings with confidence.
Let's start with this question, Emily. What is culture shock?
Culture shock is the feeling of surprise or confusion you get when you move to a new culture. It's when your old habits don't always fit the new environment.
Right. For example, maybe in your home country, people always greet with hugs, but in your new country, people just say hi and smile.
Yes, or maybe you find the food or weather very different. These changes can make you feel homesick or frustrated at first.
And that's okay. It doesn't mean you're weak. It just means you're adapting.
Let's look at some common English phrases people use to talk about how they feel when experiencing culture shock.
Here are a few. Everything feels so different. I'm not used to this yet. I miss home. It's hard to make friends. I feel nervous when I speak English.
And here are some positive, encouraging responses. Take your time. It's okay to adjust slowly. You're doing great. It gets easier every day. You'll feel at home soon.
Those are beautiful. Sometimes just hearing kind words can make a big difference.
Let's talk about ways to handle culture shock and the phrases you can use when you need help or encouragement.
Good idea.
First, talk to people. You can say, I'm new here. Could you please help me? I'm still learning English. What do people usually do in this situation?
Yes, most people are kind and happy to explain or help.
Second, join community activities. A club, a church, or a language group. You can say, I'd like to join a local class. Are there community events nearby?
That's a great way to meet friends and learn local customs naturally.
Third, stay connected to your roots. It's okay to cook your favorite food, listen to your music, or celebrate your traditions. It helps you feel balanced.
Exactly. You can say, I celebrate my traditional holidays even while living abroad. It reminds me of home.
Let's imagine a short conversation between two newcomers.
Hi, Maria. How are you liking Canada so far?
It's beautiful, but I miss my family. Sometimes I feel a little lonely.
I understand. I felt the same way last year. Joining the community center really helped me meet people.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll try a language club or a cooking class.
Yes, and don't worry. It takes time, but you'll start feeling at home soon.
That's such a natural and encouraging conversation.
Let's go over some key vocabulary related to culture shock.
Sure. Adapt. To get used to something new. Homesick. To miss your home or family. Custom. A traditional way of doing something. Polite. Showing good manners. Respect. Being kind and understanding toward others.
Great words to know.
Now, let's practice some positive self-talk phrases. Sentences you can say to encourage yourself when life feels hard.
Repeat after us.
I'm learning something new every day.
It's okay if I make mistakes.
I'm proud of how far I've come.
I will feel comfortable soon.
Every day is a step forward.
That's powerful. Sometimes the best way to handle culture shock is by being patient with yourself.
Yes, growth takes time, and every new experience teaches you something valuable.
Remember, everyone you meet has felt like a newcomer at some point. You're not alone.
Exactly. Be kind to yourself, stay curious, and keep learning. That's the secret.
Let's review today's main ideas.
Culture shock is normal. It means you're adjusting to a new way of life. Talk to others, ask questions, and stay open. Use positive English to express your feelings and stay motivated.
Perfect summary.
Thank you for joining us today on Mr. English Corner.
If today's episode encouraged you, please subscribe, like, and share it with a newcomer who might need support.
And tell us in the comments what helped you the most when adjusting to a new country.
We'd love to hear your stories. Remember, you're doing great. Keep going.
See you next time and keep shining wherever you are.